How can you make your home office more productive? Do you constantly feel as if you aren't accomplishing as much working at home as you could be? This lack of production could be because you aren't working in a productive workspace. Please keep reading to discover what you can do to make your home office more productive than it currently is. Clear the clutter. The truth is, you won't get anything done if your workspace is a mess. Therefore, it's time to take a few minutes and clean your workspace. Clutter is not only a distraction, but it can cause stress on your mind and slow down your pace of work. This doesn't just refer to your physical workspace, but your digital one as well. It's time to clean up that desktop and create folders for everything you need to save. Hide electronics. Electronics are the enemy of productivity, and if you haven't already made your home office an electronic-free space, except for the computer you are working on, of course, you need to remove the TV if there is one in the room, and consider leaving your phone in another room of the house while you work. You will be surprised at how much this increases your productivity. Close the door. Your home office space should exist behind a door that you can close to keep out distractions and noise if needed. If your home office doesn't have the possibility of a door, maybe it's a corner in the living room, then consider investing in office dividers to help with this problem. Ensure that any other members of the house are instructed not to disturb you while working. Be comfortable. Just because it's a home office doesn't mean you have to be uncomfortable. Get yourself a desk that you like to sit at and an office chair you are comfortable sitting in. If you don't like to sit, look into getting a standing desk or sitting on something unconventional like an exercise ball instead. And you don't need to sit all day. Be sure to give yourself frequent exercise breaks where you walk around the room or maybe exercise a bit if that's what you like. Overall, there are several ways you can make your home office more productive. And if you use one or all of these ways, you may just be surprised by just how productive you can be. So please, choose one of these methods and implement it in your life today to make your home office more productive.